What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Crypto Vision here, back again with another crypto market update. This is for the Night Owl edition, right? Got to upload one. And y'all thought I really forgot about you, right? Hey, XLM crew, hit that like button, subscribe for more. Leave a comment where you're tuning in from. I appreciate it. Boy, oh boy, look at this. Sorry if I sound a little tired. I'm trying to be excited, my usual self. I just got off a long shift of work, but look at this gatekeeper area. Hey, this is all drawn, no hindsight, right? This is all drawn weeks in advance. Look at this chart, ladies and gentlemen. This looks so beautiful, 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 beautiful. We are sticking to the plan. This looks incredible. Okay, so we're going to go through the daily. We're going to go through the small time frames. We're going to go through stablecoin dominance, baby. We're going to look at everything in the whole. So please hit that like button and subscribe for more. So what we got here is we got this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful look right here. This thing right here. Please draw for me. I don't have patience for you, you freaking thing. This 20-day EMA about to cross over the 50. And boy, oh boy, this looks beautiful. Right as we're crossing over this gatekeeper, right? This area of strong resistance, strong resistance. It looks great, ladies and gentlemen. I do want to see, what we're doing. I don't know why, but sometimes my things just get deleted, right? I have no clue what's going on. We're sitting right under that 2272. Remember last video we were talking about, the third wave, right? This is just the subwave, right? Subwave 1 of the final fifth wave, in my opinion, right? All right, you got to get a 1-2. You got to get a 1-2. You got to get your 3, right? It looks like we're coming up to this 2618. I mean, it would be beautiful if we overextend on the third. Don't twist my arm. Don't tease me with a good time. That would be beautiful, right? Come up to that 45 cent, trickle down, trickle down, trickle down, trickle down, because then you find support at this 2618, and you just seek higher prices on that third wave, right? So that's kind of the plan right now as we're playing out. We're sitting right below this 2272. In theory, this third wave can be wrapping up any day now, right? It really can, right? We can get this fourth wave moved down. We've already interacted and passed the 1618. That's the minimum target for a third wave. And so as long as we don't come down below 36, right? Close below this. So we really could come all the way back. I mean, really could flush everyone out, hit this 786 and then go, right? If market makers are really trying to piss in our Cheerios, as some would say, right? But this looks beautiful. This looks absolutely beautiful. On the daily, come on, don't tease me with a good time. We have not seen since, what is this? What day is this? August 18th, almost a month. We have not seen momentum to the upside, right? Let's not waste this now, right? We have not wasted this. This is on the Fu Manchu, for those who don't know, right? It's a jack of all trades indicator. I like it a little bit more than MACD. Kind of more of updated. MACD's a laggard, so it does confirm thoughts. I usually check the MACD once I've already gathered my thoughts, and I'm like, okay, the MACD is agreeing with me, the MACD is disagreeing with me. Come up with a conclusion at the end. So right now, we look good. Look at this RSI. We've talked about this. We get above, right? Ooh, didn't want to draw that. We get above. This kind of, I mean, it is late at night, right? We're the night owl crew right now. So as long as we're staying above this 51.55, we look good. I would love to come back and actually back test and then go. Something like this, right? And go. Something like that, right? What's this last move, November? I mean, you came all the way back down. You came all the way back down and back tested. But you also did one right here too. Sorry, I need to zoom in. I'm sorry. I'm not on my A game right now, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sorry about that. So yeah, so this is the November move for those that don't know. We kind of came back down through here, but we were a little bit more vertical. So I don't think we're there yet, but I think, hey, we're setting up. We've been talking about this move. If you've been subbed to the channel, you knew something like this was coming. You were right, not a financial advisor, not financial advice, but hey, when we dropped down to that 35 cent area, we were loading up. We were saying, hey, this is the low. This is the low, right? We were sitting at the weekly 0.5. We were at that 35 cent, and we were looking good, right? We were looking good. So this looks great. This looks beautiful. I'm going to keep this on the daily. I really want to get into this hourly, right? I want to see. Whoa, 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 no, no, no. Well, this is a different one. I can delete this one. It's all good. Look at this. Look how we interacted with this, right? We have, I mean, this looks beautiful all around. This looks beautiful all around. We got the 50 crossing the 100. We got the 20 crossing the 200. We got the 50 getting ready to cross the 200. I mean, this move looks just ready to run. We came up, found some resistance right at this gatekeeper, like typical fashion, but now we're just, we're above it. We're right above it. So we're doing good. We're sitting above this gatekeeper. We're looking beautiful. Absolutely impeccable, right? We're targeting that 45 cent range, 46 cent range, and then maybe have a little pullback, and then the fun begins, right? Then the fun begins. Actually, yeah, we need a fourth wave move up, then a fourth wave move down, then the fifth wave move up. Then you get your wave two, your actual wave two, right? So actual wave one would be completed. We need to get a wave two, then we get the wave three. So, but these waves are going to be fast, right? It's not going to take weeks and weeks, maybe a day or two, right? We're in the overbought zone. Wow, let's go. Can we close in the overbought zone? We did. We closed in the overbought zone. Okay, we've broken out. I know, I'm starting to get excited. You can feel it rumbling, baby. We got a green dot on the Fu Manchu. We got momentum. We're in the overbought zone. We're above the 51.55. We've broken out of this downtrend. Ladies and gentlemen, pack your bags. We are going on a trip. This looks beautiful. I do want to see how we interact tomorrow, because the weekend, all right, hey, we got to keep our cool, right? Got to keep our cool. Weekend's coming up. Weekend's usually pretty naughty to us, all right? I do want to check the 2 hour. It's not going to change anything, right? I'm not a big guy on, oh, you got to check the super small time frames, blah, 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 blah. I mean, yeah, they affect the larger time frames, but they move so often. It's hard for me to get a read on it. I'll just be honest with you guys. This looks good. I do want to see where we're at with this. I mean, that's a break. It's almost like I'm gonna just put a horizontal line right here. This looks just like horizontal resistance. I mean, we broke out of it regardless, right? Broke out of it. I'm gonna make that also green. I'm gonna do like a funky green. I'm gonna leave it on the 2 hour. All right, gotta leave that on the 2 hour. Now we're breaking out of it. How much time do we have? An hour 43. Oh, we just started. So let's see what we do. It's kind of late. It's kind of late to get some actual price action. So, but this looks all great. This is the final verdict. All right. Let's go over to the MACD. Let's go over to the MACD. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Do we got from? Oh, this is the 1 hour. I was like, whoa, that changed a lot. Got me tripping. This looks, actually, no, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I brain farted. I saw this. I checked it out. Look, I don't know why I totally brain farted. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. We are freaking breaking through the moving average on the RSI. I spoke about this weeks ago, 2 to 3 weeks ago. When we dip below, the strongest moves are through, actually, through the RSI. Come down through the RSI. Come down through the RSI, right? We need to close above this. I do not want to see this thing do this. I do not want to see this. And you know what? We have good indications that it's not going to happen. I mean, we do. This 3-day broke out, green dot, Fu Manchu, building momentum. This 2-day, huge breakout over the 51.55, green dot, no momentum quite yet. So we're getting close. We're getting close. I mean, I can draw the trend line if you'd like, right? But we broke out, right? We broke out. But this weekly, right? This weekly looks great. About the 2 week, I mean, give me a drink, give me a cigar, baby. We about to celebrate. Look at this, is beautiful. Did we get right below it? We didn't. We're bouncing right off of it. Beautiful. I mean, it's stunning. Beautiful stuff, right? And especially because XLM is my biggest holding. I mean, it is straight up. It's my biggest holding. I love this asset. I think it has real world capability. I think the link with Elon and X payments and other assets, I think it's going to be a big thing. I really do. I do. And I think it follows XRP. So, I'm not a financial advisor, not financial advice, but I mean, even look at the price action, right? Look at the price action, right? We came down, hit this weekly 5, blasted through. These levels are from this move, right? The levels, the weekly 382, the gatekeeper area of interest are all from, the overall move. But we came down to the weekly 5 of this overall move, bounced off of it, closing above now our 618. I mean, ladies and gentlemen, this 42 cent, like we've been talking about, is a huge deal. If we get above and close it, I mean, we might not even, I mean, this could be, I mean, we could really see something along the lines of this over here. I mean, we're getting close to something like this right here. We're getting close to something like this, where you're kind of close and you're slowly breaking out, and you just go bananas, ape crap bananas, absolute bananas, because monkeys never cramp. We can't cramp. We gotta stay focused, right? If you're a baseball guy, baseball gal, you understood that. But I digress, right? So this 40.7 cents, this 42 cent, those are huge areas, right? So we need to make sure we're staying above those. Okay, so sorry about that. Let's get back to the MACD. Let's go from the weekly. I'm kind of bouncing around everywhere. I had a long day. I'm tired, but I'm still pumped. I am pumped up. We bounced right off the 20 EMA. So bullish, so bullish. We didn't do that over here. We lost it, right? We lost it. We're bouncing. Oh, it looks so good, like a full body candle on the EMA, right? Closed right on it, and so that's beautiful, right? We never crossed down below. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. The 3 days, right? We're losing bearish momentum as we're angled up, as we're gaining bullish momentum. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, we are getting ready to shock the world. Right? A lot of people are out of crypto. A lot of people, even influencers. Hey, I'll be real, right? Some of these influencers with 100,000, 50,000, 70,000, blah, 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 saying, oh, they post all these trades and they do all this. I call BS on a lot of those people. You go watch their channel, they don't know what they're talking about. They flip-flop. They say, oh, it's a bull trap here, and then the next day, oh, new all-time highs. They say, oh, multiple month consolidation. Oh, we're breaking out. It's like they don't. I mean, they don't know what's left and right. Like how are these guys making money? I don't think they are. I think they're making money off of views and out of outlandish and outrageous claims, right? And right on this channel, you just get it how it is. This is how it is, right? This is how you make money, right? You track multiple indicators across multiple time frames. You look at wave structure, wave count, candle type, and all that jazz. Sorry, I'm going on a tangent. I just see, the market got some green in it. I see people come out of the woodwork saying that they called this and blah blah blah. Hey, we got receipts on this channel. You can go back and you can check it. And then after you do that, hit that like and subscribe, baby, because we're the real deal on this channel. So, this looks so good right here. This daily looks great. It looks beautiful. So, let's do that. But last but not least, right, hey, if you're new to the channel, this channel is predicated on stablecoin dominance. It is the precipice of a lot of the calls I make, right? It's not all of them. I got a lot of different charts that I look at and I reference. This is a big one, right? This is a really big one, right? We've closed a full body down, closed below 617. What did we do? We closed below 610, right? We're kind of chopping around. Another bear flag. Look at this. This thing wants to keep going down, right? And guess what we're going to do? We're going to take another measured move, baby. We're going to just keep tracking it, okay? So let's invert this, right? Let's invert this because I want to see what we're at. Because I haven't really covered it today. So, this whole move looks, this is on the 4-hour chart. This looks like a, let me see. I got my cheat sheet. I always got to have a cheat sheet because I can't keep everything on my mind. Yeah, so that I wrote down, so because we were tracking this, because this is a separate, I'm going to track this as one whole move. But this was also like its own 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you came down, and then you got your 1, 2, because that's how I measured it. Your 1, 2. Okay, so let's do this because we have actually broken through. I'm gonna leave this actually. I'm gonna leave this on. I am gonna do this though. I do want to do this. I want to see where we came down to. Just real quick, right to that 382. Right to that 382. So we came down pretty much right to that 382. We're sitting on that 236. This is like when you see this on the bullish chart, this is how you know you're bullish. You're staying above your 0.5. Like if you're consolidating like this, like you just cannot get slammed down. You cannot. It's bullish for us. It's so bullish for us. Let's see where we got here. Where did we get up to? Yeah, because then this B wave is so much bigger too. Because your A wave is so short, you know what I mean? Yeah, you closed right below that 618. Where did this close? This closed right at that 618. Closed at the 618, came back down to the, oh my, this looks so good. This looks so good. I mean, these are the levels you're looking at, right? You're looking at your 2618 kind of aligns with your, oh, it does align with it. That just looks so off. So yeah, so we're looking for, 2618, that 593 level and beyond, right? And beyond. So I'll invert that and I'll leave that how it is. We do have a green dot on the 4 hour. This is beautiful though. This is what you want to see. You're oversold, right? You kind of are bouncing a little bit. It's good. Cool off a little bit. Cool off a little bit. Come back up. I don't mind. Come back up a little bit. Come back up, right? That means this C wave is going to drop down a little bit more. That's fine. That's fine. We can deal with that, right? Let's see. Actually, I don't know. I'm losing my mind, kind of. I'm losing my mind. No, I'm not losing my mind, but I do need to track this A wave all the way down the other way. Right, something like this. Right, where the C wave could actually go, where we could see the C wave come down to. Right, this 604 level, you can come down to the 604 level. Really, anything above 608 is good, right? You can come all the way down through here. 618. It's right next to that 886, that 2272. Somewhere in between here. All right, I'm gonna mark that red, yellow. All right, let's do that. I know it's a wide range, but it's from the 786. It's just because it's such a shallow correction, and you really could stop at the 786. So that's what we're looking at, those two levels. Yeah, the RSI, I wouldn't mind if you come up, bounce off the moving average, slam back down, would be beautiful. You have a green dot without any momentum. It's beautiful. It's what we like to see. I mean, this thing just tanked. This thing is tanked. We still have a lot of room to the downside too. Still have a lot of room to the downside. That looks good. Beautiful. We got a cross, a close too. We closed down below. So it'd be even stronger to come up than the reject. All right, last but not least, let's go to the weekly. Hey, look at this line, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. I drew this for one of the subs. He didn't like the color purple. I don't like the color purple, but we both agreed that this purple was beautiful. We called this out last week. We said, hey, next week we're going to have a big drop. What do you see right there in that candle? Tell me what you see. If you see red, you got to subscribe. If you see red, you got to like it. You got to retweet on Twitter or X, whatever you call it. Get the word out, right? Get the peeps back to the channel. We got to get people making money. We called this out, right? We called this out. I'm going to leave it on there for y'all. You can go back and watch the video. We called this out. We got it crossing down below the weekly. It's beautiful. We look beautiful. We had a green dot on the 2 weeks. It's gone now. It is gone. That is great. What about the monthly? We still have that red dot on the monthly. We look good, ladies and gentlemen. The 2 months, still red dot. This looks great. So everything is playing out. The plan is here. It is playing out. Stick with me through this, right? I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice, but gosh dang it, I'm going to be here and I'm going to provide the best thoughts that what I am doing, right? These are just my ideas, but I'm gonna keep posting them. Take it for what you will. I need to go eat some dinner. I am tired, but I needed to hop on here for all the subs, for all the people that have been with me since day one. So I appreciate you. I appreciate your time. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great rest of your night. I'll see you tomorrow. Take it easy. Peace.